Hello, I'd like to show you how to draw a hexagonal shape. So I've got usual my ruler, pencil, and I've got a compass. I've also got a pen because I want to show you so that you can see it on the video. But one little tip I'll just give you with your compass: when you're doing any of this sort of work, you've got to make sure the pencil is in line with the point. So with this compass, I can loosen this screw here, and I can adjust it and then tighten it up. So these are now, sorry, there's an hour line. I don't just need to get a little bit more accurate. Yeah, that's better. And the other thing is, by using a small screwdriver, usually you can tighten up a compass. So you can see that little screw there, just a small screwdriver, and if you just tighten it up that little bit, it will stop it sliding. And you can see from that my compass now how it was a bit loose, but now I've tightened it up. So I'm going to measure from the ruler. So I'm going to put the point of the compass on the ruler, on the 0, and I'm going to open it out until it reaches 10, and that will give me a 20 diameter circle, because I've measured on the ruler the radius, which is from the centre of the circle to the edge. So that measures 10, so from there to there measures 20 centimetres. So what I'm doing now is I'm not going to move my compass. Now that is the same measurement, 10 centimetres from the centre out, and I'm just going to place it anywhere. It doesn't matter where I start on my circle, just as long as it's on the edge. So I'm placing it on the edge and closest to me because it's more convenient. I'm then going to put the line across where the compass meets the pencil line, and across, and you can see how it crosses the pencil line. And I'm going all the way around. And the last one, I'm just going to check, yeah, that's correct. So you can see I've gone around here, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a hexagonal has 6 sides. And then I'm going to use a pen for this, only so that you can see clearly. But I'm going to put a line across. So where that pencil line meets the circle there, and where that one meets the circle there, I'm going to draw a line across. Okay, turning the paper around, and I'm going to do exactly the same here, and exactly the same all the way around. And this is a really easy, accurate way of drawing a hexagonal, just using a compass. And you can see the shape I've got. I've now got my hexagonal, and that hexagonal will is 6 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagonal. If I wanted it, so I want to add a board to this, I can simply draw a line from each point. Now going out. Now I'll do this with a very faint pencil line, but I'm pressing a little bit harder because of the video, so you can see. And I'm just drawing lines all the way through. And you can see it's double checks my work, because it checks that all those lines are meeting in the centre, so I know that is accurate. But also it helps me. So if this is the top view of my cake, I need to put a board on there. So all I need to do is measure out the size I want my board. Boards are usually 4 inches larger than the cake. And draw it across, or I can open up my ruler again. So just check your compass measures the size you want. So I'll just measure that in centimetres, 15 centimetres. So I can pop my compass in the middle, I can go around, I can then, where those 2 lines cross the edge circle, draw a line across. And this is now giving me the board, the size and shape of the board. And usually, as you know, if it's a hexagonal cake, it goes on a hexagonal board. Yep, that's a little bit more challenging to do than a round or a square cake, but it's quite satisfying when you get the results. And by following those simple steps, I've managed to do that, as you can see. So I've got hexagonal measuring 20 centimetres, and that's from point to point. If you want it from side to side, that measures 17. The board measures 26 centimetres, or point to point is 30. Yeah, thank you very much.